friends, it is Sandy with Crafty Stamp Co. and it is time for the September 2026 Crafty Crew Kit. I just got this in the mail yesterday, so we are going to open it together. Now, housekeeping. The kit is, what do I want to say? The kit ordering window is October 1st through the 15th, and it is scheduled to ship on the 5th. The cost for non-subscribers is $48.02, which actually reflects a 15% discount off of retail prices. Subscribers, which is a bi-monthly subscription, is $42.36. It reflects a 25% discount off of the retail prices. You get a special embellishment plus a 10% discount code for non-subscription orders. All right, let's see what we have here. So we have our pretty paper. Always fun to see. Okay. We have this fantastic pouch, which I love these things. I keep everything in them, even bits and pieces from my extra papers. I love these little pouches. All right, here we go. Come on. Come on out. All right. All right. Got your little thank you card. And these little things, I love these little things. So these are little crafty color recipes, and it kind of gives you an idea of how to color them and what colors were used. These are so helpful. And then on the back side, there's like a little sketch for you. So that also helps you kind of create something if you're just kind of drawing a block and you just don't know what to do. So it's got the measurements, the products, the paper, everything. So that is that one. And then there's one for the unicorn party snacks. And again, it's the colors. Oh, they're so cute. All right. Now, this is the extra embellishment for subscribers, and it's a little package of little dewdrops. Looks like there's 162 of them. These are always perfect to embellish your products. All right, let's look at these guys. Now, these are the bomb. We've got Meadow again. I'll pull it out of the package so you can see it a little bit better. And she is in her little unicorn onesie. So cute. She's got her little unicorn stuffy, some little pillows. This just screams slumber party to me. And then it's got a couple of sentiments. May your birthday be full of rainbow sprinkles and unicorn sparkles. You bring out my inner unicorn. Your sparkle shines bright. This is so cute. This will be fun to color. She looks adorable in her little onesie. So that stamp set is called Slumber Party. Unicorn Slumber Party. My apologies. Adorable. Next, let's get this out of the package because the glare is just way too much here. This one looks like all kinds of fun. Oops. Let me take this out of the package because you'll see it better. All right. This is called Unicorn Party Snacks. This is really cute. So we've got our little popcorn bucket, unicorn horn. Got a little soda with the unicorn horn. Little cupcake. And then we've got a tray of treats. Adorable. Really fun. A little cup of hot chocolate, a donut, which is adorable, and a few pieces of candy. Sentiments say, you make life sweet, only the best snacks sparkle, and I'll bring the snacks, you bring the sparkle. That's cute. That's a really cute saying. All right, there's that one. Now the paper. I love the paper. I love their paper. They're my favorite. And this is going to be no exception. All right, in the paper, one of the best things is the little envelope that you get with it. This is perfect to store your paper and all your little bits and pieces because I don't throw out a scrap. All right, this is the unicorn and cotton candy paper pack, and it is just, yummy, yummy, beautiful colors. So we've got this one, which it's got some lovely teals and pinks. Oh, pretty. That's this side. Oh, the back side's got some gorgeous waves. Oh, that's really pretty. This one's got more of a purple to it. Beautiful. This one's really pretty. And some more prominent color waving. Some little ink. I don't know what you call that, but I like it. And I'll use it for sure. Oh, this one's kind of like a sky. Oh, kind of like a yummy sunset sky. So it's a little bit lighter, very pretty. The back side, nice. It's got some of the yellows, a little bit of oranges up here, beautiful. Oh, this one's fun. Now we've got a purple with some little sparkles on it. So I've got some little sparkles down here, a star, sparkles here. It's a nice lavender, purplish color. Perfect. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. All right. Ooh, this one's a little bit more bold. It has some like little goldish colored flecks on it, a little bit of flowers in the corners. Still very, very pretty, very soft. The side's a little bit more bold. It's got the ink splotches, but then it's got some little gold type effects in there. Really, really pretty. Ooh, oh, look at this one. This one might be my favorite. This is more peachy with blues, and it's got some flowers up on this side and some little sparkles down on this side. And then we've got these beautiful waves on the back. All right. So the paper pack, you get 4 each of 12 designs. That's a lot of paper. And it's good quality. So like I said, this is Crafty Stamp Co. has some of my favorite paper patterns in it. So that's a win. Let's put that in its little package here. And then we have a stencil, which looks really fun. I love my stencils because then I can create my own background. And it says Milky White, 6x6 Milky White. And it looks like it has a bunch of, I don't know if you can really see it. Let me see if I can grab a piece of paper. Here we go. It's got like little pillows on it and moons and stars. Perfect background for a slumber party. Would be good for baby. Oh, very nice. This will be fun to play with also. All right, so we've got your stencil. We've got our paper. We've got our unicorn party snack stamp set. We've got Meadow in her unicorn slumber party stamp set. The little dewdrops for subscribers. And our little crafty color recipes, which again, I love these. Takes a lot of the guesswork out of coloring. All right, one more time. Non-subscribers, it's $48.02 plus shipping. That does reflect a 15% discount off of retail prices. Bi-monthly subscription is $42.36 plus shipping. That reflects a 25% discount off retail prices. You get the embellishment plus a 10% discount for a future order. The ordering window is August 1st through the 15th. It is scheduled to ship on September 5th. Now, Once that window closes, this kit will no longer be available, and neither will the stamps. So make sure you get in on that window. All right, let's see what I can come up with.